Promised a friend today I'd give her a laugh, so I'm not really feeling it, but here goes. The second story of snowmobiling with my husband is we get down the trail, we get to Lake Winnipesaukee, we cross Lake Winnipesaukee a long distance, and we get up a trail, up a mountain, and he told me when you're on the trails, be really careful because it's just mountains and it's a small path and you don't stop and talk to anyone. Okay, we go up and make it to the top. I take off my gloves. I take pictures. It's fucking freezing. I put on my gloves. Luckily, the handlebars on the snowmobile warmed up. So otherwise, it was cold. I'm a girl from Florida, 38 years, 37 years, What are we talking here? So I'm in the freezing cold, and we go back, start down the mountain. There's two guys we saw coming up the mountain are now closer to us. So I don't realize like my husband's stopping to talk to them because I remember the rule, you don't stop and talk to someone, but that really wasn't what he said. So he stopped and he talked to them, and I didn't think he would really come to a stop. Well, he did. So needless to say, my snowmobile has now jumped his, and I'm like, the two forks humping each other, like I'm throttling, and it rumbles on, and he turns around, and he looks at me, and he goes, "You can brake now." So I brake. We're trying to get the snowmobiles apart because now two of them are broken. We get down the trail really easy, slowly, so it's easy. We're crossing Lake Winnipesaukee, and he's cruising, and my blades are going flip flop, flip flop, flip. I'm not want to cruise. So meanwhile, if I don't catch up to him, I can't see in the snow, and it's blinding, and he's doing like 80 miles an hour, and I'm like, I can't ride a snowmobile that fast, and the flip flop, and I'm crying again, and laughing and crying, and mad, I'm this, I'm that. So many emotions, and trying to keep up with him. We finally get up the hill. Once again, I'm in the house, taking off my hat, taking off my gear, my helmet, and then my snowsuit, and the pants, and the boots, and he's going from the door to the kitchen, putting pieces on the table, and now he has two snowmobiles to put back together. Story of my life, Real Housewife. This is what it is.